Today's tip, black is blue. And I will prove it with science. Hi, my name is Dave and I am a bird nerd. Welcome to my community, bird sculptors and painters. Okay, the science of black is blue. Watch this. There's a little black. Here's a little bit of white. Now, tell me that isn't blue. Oh, well, if you remember from your color wheel, you know the primary colors are yellow, red, and blue, right? If you mix yellow with blue, you get green. If you mix yellow with red, you get orange. And if you mix red and blue, you get purple. So, here's some more science for you. That black is really just dark blue, and when you mix it with red, you get purple, or violet, as some people like to call it. That is the science behind black is really just blue. Now, of course, this is all a little tongue-in-cheek, but it's important to realize that black has that strong blue tint because it's really hard to make a neutral gray from black. You really can't do it. You can make a quick gray, but you can't make a neutral gray. If you enjoyed this tip, hit the subscribe button. Then you'll know when I upload more of the good stuff. You should probably also consider joining my community, bird sculptors and painters. There's a link in the description below this video, and that will get you all the best tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox, as well as updates on all the courses that I offer. I look forward to supporting you in your journey to Total Bird Nerd. Thank you.